Today we will be talking about mining and its contribution to environmental degradation. We'll be looking at the devastating impacts it has on the environment and show why there needs to be changes in their mining processes. We want to tell you a story about how the mining industry contributes to environmental degradation so we stop them from producing excessive waste. The current solution for disposing of mining waste is storing the excess water and tailings in dams. These tailings and dams have negative environmental ramifications by not only being known to collapse, but also causing reactions in the rocks that leach into the groundwater. This is going to significantly impact Australian communities just like yours and change the Australian landscape dramatically. To combat these effects, we have devised an environmentally conscious plan to dispose of waste more efficiently and effectively. Let's first go through the mining process. Huge amounts of rock are excavated from the ground, with the rock then put through crushers and grinders to make a finer material. This material is then mixed with water to help filter out the valuable minerals. For the amount of raw material they filter out, 3 times as much crushed up rock is put into waste along with the water used. This rock is in the form of a wet sludge and is covered in water stored in man-made dams. What might surprise you is that there are still elements of this mineral in the waste. These minerals are usually oxidised and so they react with oxygen. This can then leach into the waterways and underground water tables. An example of this is in 2019 in Brazil when the dam burst. So why are we still using these dangerous ponds? Why is all this product just going to waste? Why haven't we found a better way? We have. We will look to reuse majority of this material and put an end to these dangerous environment-killing ponds. When the minerals get separated, why not reuse the water? As mentioned before, mines already dewater the minerals and dry it ready to go through a smelter. We are going to use the same process on the so-called waste. We will use another processing line with the same idea. As the waste comes through, we will extract the water running through filters to extract the rock and a small amount of minerals. These are then separated and the rock is able to be used in road base or in concrete for construction. The water is filtered and then able to be used for the original process again. The leftover minerals is then dried and smelted into its final product. As you can see, we have reused nearly all of the excavated material. We will be able to reuse water as well as extract the smaller elements of the raw minerals. Why continue to use these ponds when you can be reusing this waste to downsize costs? Not only can this make the mining company money for excavating more materials, but will also save the cost of having to fix an environmental disaster in the future.